DJT stock analysis. Is this thing really a buy? Tomorrow and onward. This is for Friday and onward. More so 26th of July, let's put it that way. I'm really looking for a buy. What I'm looking for, you know, it's not enough yet. Like, it's not. The price hasn't shown me that it wants to go up like how I want it to do. By the way, for context, the strategy that I'm using has previously delivered thousands of correct predictions. And I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. But with DJT, I just simply want to see a double break on the 1 hour chart. Not a 2 hour, a 1 hour. Still haven't, this is not a break yet. This is just a wick. I want to see a full candle. Pull down, full candle again. And that's only when I'll continue to capitalize on it. So this is not financial advice. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the photos link in the description. Like literally all reviews are 5 stars there. Let's not forget that with DJT, I think it was DWAC or whatever. Was it trend menu? Okay, so I don't have any receipts on it. So yeah, just a kind of a newer, thicker symbol.